Hello everyone, and welcome to Sound Design 101. I am Nikolai Douglas, your host and friend. This will be the first in what I hope to be a series of tutorials in sound design and how you can make your own sounds from scratch or using any other means you wish. So, what is sound design? Sound design is the creation and manipulation of sound for a specific purpose. This series will focus specifically on video games and film use, but there are numerous other uses for sound design such as theatre, interactive displays, and artwork. When you see a film or play a game, an incredible amount of the emotion is communicated through the sound. Now, just to prove that, next time you watch a movie, try just muting the sound and have a look at it, and it sort of becomes a bit dead. In games, sounds have to be designed specifically with certain restrictions in mind, such as how much memory the game has, what kind of device the game is running on. It might be running on a mobile device, in which case you need to make sure that the sound communicates just as well over a narrow frequency range as it does if you're, playing with a really high quality home theater sound system or something like that. The sound also needs to be thought of as a dynamic element. So that means that care needs to be given to ensure that any possible sound that a player might generate through their actions in the game works well with all other sounds that might be playing at the same time. Mostly sounds have to be in mono in order to be positioned correctly in the 3D space through the game or the audio engine, but some sounds can of course be in stereo, such as ambience. In film, on the other hand, sounds are matched to the vision after the picture has been filmed, and this offers a lot more flexibility. It also allows for more deliberateness in the sound design and the emotions that the sounds create. So the question is, what kind of sound designer do you want to be? Whether you want to work in film or games or theatre or interactive displays, so if you just want to make it for fun, try to create your own unique signature. There are a lot of sound designers out there, and nothing good will come of just sounding like everybody else. Obviously, seeing as it's design, you still have to be able to take a brief and make sure that your sound works within the parameters of the project that you're working on. If you like using lots of synthesized sounds, for example, but the specific project you're working on is a film noir style movie, you probably don't want to have lots of synthy sounds in there when it's supposed to sound raw and old style. You also have to make sure that if you're working within a company, that you can work well within the audio team and take lead from the audio lead. Still, try to approach things from a unique point of view. There are many ways to skin a cat, and there are even more ways to create the sound that it makes when you do it. So be creative. And let's jump in this together. The next video will be about getting set up and what you'll need. See you next time.